Hey there, Vanagon addicts. It's Ken Wilford here at Vanagon. I'm back in the shop. This time I'm working on my other daughter's 2012 VW Beetle, Mark II Beetle. She's been having some issues with her power door locks. Okay, so we started out here on the driver's side. It had a communication problem, and then it would do this thing where the doors would try to lock. Every time you would go from a start and get up to about 20 miles an hour, you would hear clicking. The doors would be trying to lock. They couldn't lock. The windows wouldn't go all the way up. On these Beetles, when you open the door, the window comes down a little bit and then goes back up. That wasn't happening. So I went ahead and replaced this driver's side door lock. And I thought that fixed it, and then as soon as we did that, we started getting errors and things happening on this side. So everything works now, except on this side, the door doesn't lock. So I'm going to have to do this door lock. When I did this, I was looking for a video on how to do it, and I couldn't find anything. I found some videos on Jettas and Golfs and how to do on those. And on those, you're basically removing the outer door skin to get inside here, replace this door lock mechanism. Okay, here's the mechanism here. This is the new one. Basically, Volkswagen and their infinite wisdom combined about 6 different units into this one unit to make it easier to assemble. Okay, you're trying to save time on the assembly line, so you put a whole bunch of units in one unit. The problem is, at only 50,000 miles, that unit failed, and also this unit also failed. Okay, so this car only has 50,000 miles on it. Both door lock things failed, most likely due to a bad ground or a bad electrical connection, like a solder joint or something inside the unit. So we had to replace them at super low miles. Okay, thank you, Volkswagen. So I couldn't find any videos about how to do this online. I looked at the Jetta Golf ones, got scared because you had to take off this door skin on the outside, and I had never did that before, but I thought, okay, I'm going to try it. Then when I got into it, I found out that the Beetle is just like the older cars. You can do it from the inside. Okay, you have to take out the door panel. So I'm going to try to do a video on this, how to do it, just so if there's other, Mark II Beetle people out there, they can know how to do it. It's not that hard. It's just a factor of knowing what you're doing, not breaking a bunch of stuff, and, having the right tools to do it with. So I'm going to go ahead and get started on doing this, and then I'll bring you back in and kind of show you what I've been doing on getting this door panel removed, and we can go from there.